Once you have your separate slides uploaded and created in VoiceThread, you're ready to add multimedia comments. First off, make sure you've given your VoiceThread a title and an optional brief description. Then, click the Comment button to view your VoiceThread and enter the comment editing interface. This is where you can add a voiceover narrative or text and video comments to your slides. You will see your VoiceThread open up to the first slide in your presentation. You can always check which slide you're on by looking at the text along the top of the screen in the viewing window here, where it will tell you slide X of X. Now, let's say you want to add a comment to this slide to point out something interesting in the image. All you have to do is click this comment icon, and from here you'll have several options for different types of comments you can add. You'll want to focus on a few main options here. Click the text icon to type in a text comment. Click the microphone icon to add an audio comment. Also note that you'll have to have the latest version of Flash installed on your computer, and you'll have to click Allow when your computer's Flash settings pop up to allow VoiceThread to access your microphone and record a comment. Depending on which web browser you're using, you may also notice a warning at the top of your browser window requiring you to allow VoiceThread to access your microphone from your browser before recording. So look up here for some warning. After you've chosen to allow in both your Flash and your browser settings, you'll get a quick countdown, and then you can start recording your comment. Click the video icon to add a video comment. Again, you'll have to have the latest version of Flash installed on your computer, and you'll have to click Allow on both your Flash and web browser settings to allow VoiceThread to access your microphone and camera before recording. Then you'll get a similar quick countdown and you can start recording your comment. Other interesting features to add when you're adding VoiceThread comments is the ability to make doodles and sketches on top of your content as you're commenting. Let's say, for example, that you want to point out something about this image's use of color. All you have to do is start recording a comment, then, when you're narrating, click this pencil icon at the bottom of the screen, select a color, and start doodling away. You can doodle while you're talking. Then, stop your recording when you're done narrating and doodling. Then, save your comment, and you're set. Your audience will see your doodle and hear your comment at the same time while they're viewing your presentation. Now, let's think ahead quickly to when you share your presentation with your audience. Depending on how you adjust your sharing settings, your audience will generally be able to view your slides and comments as they're watching your presentation online, and they'll be able to go in and add their own comments right after yours. They'll see the same commenting options that you see along the bottom of the screen. They'll be able to add text, audio, and video comments just like you can. When your audience adds their own comments, they will show up right after another along this timeline below each slide. They will automatically stack up next to each other and play back in the order that they were added to each slide in your presentation.